The Digital Library National Association for the Blind Delhi, supported by Spirotech, is delighted to announce the availability of the book How to Enjoy Your Life and Your Job by Dale Carnegie. Even if you love your work, you probably have days when almost nothing goes right. Best-selling author Dale Carnegie shows you how to make every day more exciting and rewarding, how you can get more done and have more fun doing it. How to Enjoy Your Life and Your Job will help you create a new approach to life and people and discover talents you never knew you had. Dale Carnegie can help you get the most out of yourself all the time. Start developing your innate strengths and abilities. Start enriching your life today. The recording of this book has been specially made for our visually impaired friends in an Epub text accessible format. To access the book, kindly register on the NAB Digital Library. For more information, please contact us on mobile number 921-231-9671 or on email ID library@nabdelhi.in.